My name is Edmund Yakani, Executive Director of CEPO. I would like to take this opportunity to express my opinion on the appointment of a full-scale governor for Western Equatoria State, His Excellency James Al-Tayib. As a civil society activist, as one of the signatories to our access, we wish to see a full-scale governor for Western Equatoria State because of the status of political instability in some part of the state, specifically Tombra, Najero, Ezo, and the site of Yambio. We are aware that there are incidences of extrajudicial killing where even we are losing elites of the state, being MPs, being religious leaders, being recently the Director General of the Ministry of Education. These are all results of political motivated ethnic armed violence against the civilian population by a class of a political elites that drive it. Yes, it's good to have a full-scale governor, but the wish could have been within the spirit of the R-axis, because this is a total swap of the seat of the governor from SPLM-IO to SPLM, which has happened equally in Upper Nile State. And this raised a question and raised a number of concerns around maintaining the spirit of the R-axis and working within the spirit and the letter of the R-axis. It is a bridging of the R-axis. We wish that this particular move should have been done with consultation with the signatory to the R-axis that mainly meant SPLM-IG and SPLM-IO could have consultation in swapping of these seats. We are a bit worried that this type of violations may lead to the total undermining of the R-axis and may make some parties who are signatory to R-axis seems to be pushed out of the R-axis, or their political rights under the spirit of the R-axis is totally violated. We are urging the leadership of the country that there's a need to focus on consolidating political consensus around R-axis, because R-axis remain up to now as the only legitimate political framework for transitioning the country from violence to peace. So our appeal is that we hope the move of appointing a governor of Western Equatoria State shouldn't be at the same manner like the appointment of governor for Upper Nile State, where SPLM-IO are losing their seats of the states, because right now we only left with one seat of Western Bargazali State. Already IO seat of Upper Nile and Western Equatoria is now taken, and this is challenging the spirit of the R-axis. We are aware that we may have political disagreement, discontented political position, but it's good to resolve them through dialogue and consultation, and to resolve them in a manner that embraces peace and stability to continue. We are calling upon the party signatory to R-axis to maintain the spirit of consultation and the spirit of dialogue under the spirit of implementing the provisions of the R-axis, which we term them as a pending task of the provision of the R-axis. This is a total concern that we want to bring to the attention of the leadership of the country, and we call upon the parties to the R-axis to respect and to honor the spirit and the letter of the R-axis. Continuous violation of the R-axis may render R-axis to act as a tool of sustaining instability. So I wish the leaders of the country should address the swapping of the state in an equal manner within the spirit of the R-axis, through dialogue, through consultations, and making sure that any action around implementation of the R-axis is meant to consolidate peace and stability. Thank you very much.